In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an invisible folder on Windows 11. So with your invisible folders, you can easily hide vital document or important document on your Windows 11. So here you learn the step-by-step procedure on how to create or make your folders invisible on Windows 11. So if you enjoyed this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do here to create an invisible folder on Windows 11 is right click on any part of your Windows screen and then create a new folder. Now you don't need to rename this folder, just leave this folder as it is. Now click on the start button and search for character maps. Then open the character maps. Once this opens, just scroll down until you get to the invisible character on the Windows. Now what you need to do, once you scroll down to the invisible character here, select invisible just like this. Then come here and click on the copy icon. Then minimize that, then come back to this folder, right click on the folder, then click on more option to rename, select rename, paste the invisible folder character and click on the enter button. Then this is what we're going to have. We are not done. Now go ahead and right click on this folder. Once you right click on properties, then come to customize and click on that. Under customize, come down to change icon and choose that. Now once you selected that, locate the invisible folder icon here, just keep searching and here you can see nothing is here, you see that? Then click on this and then click on OK. Go ahead and tap apply. Go ahead and click on the OK button. Now you have the invisible folder on your Windows computer. Now you can move any folder to this invisible folder. Then you see that? Then if you open the invisible folder like this, then you have the folder you move into the invisible folder just like this. So this is how you can easily create or make an invisible folder on Windows 11. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.